Everyone's asking me for that recipe. She's a hit here at home. Start by cutting 15 grapes in half, and the type of grape may be your preference. Reserve the grapes next to it. Let's use 1/4 of papaya and cut it to a small piece. Three bananas, and the type of banana may be your preference. One apple, 10 units of strawberry, grease a shape with a little oil and then add the fruit. If you want to remove or add a fruit in this recipe, you can be it. Once this process is done, reserve next door. In a blender, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of sour cream, and now it's just capping and leave beating really well. Soon after, add 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, already hydrated. Let it beat a little more, and now we can turn off and pour over the fruit. With the help of a spatula, spread everything very well. Now, just take to the fridge for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, just unstick the sides, center, and turn on a plate. Look how wonderful this dessert looks. Besides being beautiful, the taste is amazing. Do it at your home, that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.